Hey everyone, this is Ali with another video. As you can see, my Starlink arrived. There was really nice offers going on up in Australia where they were offering a free Starlink kit with reduced rates. So as you can see that I have ordered my Starlink, and now we're gonna open up the box and let's see what inside. So I've already opened the box. As you can see, this is a Starlink dish, and these are the grips right now on the back. So if we can put this dish here, so over here, if you can see, they've sent me this instructions where I need to download the map here. I need to download the app here, and after that, it's gonna give me the option to how to set up Starlink dish. And over there, as you can see, then how we're going to connect the overall equipment. So first, this is a dish here, and there's a cable there which is gonna go some sort of like an inbuilt router, and there's an adapter there as well. So there's instructions about how to connect the wire. So it's basically, and this is the overall picture that how it's gonna look like. So basically this is a dish which I'm assuming you're gonna put on your roof, and then after that it's gonna go in the, I'm assuming it's gonna be some sort of like a router, and then the router needs a power, which is, this is the power cable, and you can set up everything through this app. So it looks pretty easy, and it's going to be interesting when we're going to set up this. So let's have a look what inside the box now. So it's inside the box. As we can see, there's a Ethernet cable there, pretty long cable, enough to I'm not sure about the length though, but there is a manual here as well, and I'm assuming this is just going to be some basic manual, but yeah, that's the longer cable. This is a longer pair, and which is, I'm assuming it's going to go from here to here, the Ethernet cable. And this is the power cable which gonna for this one. So this is the power adapter, I can say, and this is interesting thing. So this is the inbuilt router, and over here you can see there's some Ethernet ports there. There is other, I'm assuming it's probably the power cable. So this thing's gonna connect here, and these are the Ethernet cables. So according to the picture, so one of them gonna go here and the other one's gonna go there. So this is my Ethernet points where my dish gonna connect, and this is the power point which is this thing gonna go. So yeah, so it's looks pretty easy. I think it's gonna be an interesting project to install this, and if I can show you other end of this thing. So this is the other end. So basically the other end, if I can show you like this. So this is the other end which gonna go like this. That's it. It's a pretty easy installation, and I think I need to figure out like how I'm going to place this on the roof, because they haven't sent any screws, and I need to figure out how I'm gonna place this on the roof. I guess maybe it's not necessary to place this on the roof. I might put it on the ground like this, or on my backyard, to get the signal and stuff. So it's gonna be an interesting video. Stay tuned and wait for my second video. See ya then.